Hello, everybody. Welcome to the second part of discussion on the chapter Jungle Safari. In the last video, we had already learned that this is an extract, this is an account of the writer's visit to Kanha National Park. How early morning he got up, then they took a boat, isn't it? And they decided to tour, they decided to see and visit the park and watch different animals by traveling in a boat. तो आज हम उसके आगे का हिस्सा पढ़ेंगे. What happened after they reached to the other side of the lake? With a determined, resolved, and calm mind, we started the trek. We pretended that the knowledge of bears, pythons, and cobras being present in the forests did not matter to us at all, but were we not fooling ourselves? Now, the writer thought that he knew everything about bears, pythons, cobras, but जैसे ही वो जंगल पहुँचे उनको लगा कि वो उनके बारे में कुछ नहीं जानते और ऐसा सोच के वो अपने आप को बेवकूफ़ ही बना रहे थे. Why did the writer think so? Because they were scared. Yes, we were scared. This sentence shows that the writer was afraid, isn't it? Yes, we were scared, but at the same, we were excited and keen to go ahead. On the way, we saw the footprints of elephants, bears, and tigers. We saw a watchtower. वॉच टावर जो बहुत लंबा टावर होता है, ऊपर एक बालकनी होती है जिस पे सारे एरिया को नज़र पे रखा जाता है. वी सॉ अ वॉच टावर इन द फॉरेस्ट एंड हैड अ ब्यूटीफुल व्यू ऑफ द फॉरेस्ट फ्रॉम एटॉप द टावर. एटॉप मीन्स फ्रॉम टॉप ऑफ. एटॉप का मतलब होता है फ्रॉम टॉप ऑफ. So they climbed on the tower and they saw a beautiful view. Tired but enthusiastic. Enthusiastic means eagerness, spirited. Okay, बहुत ही जोश में रहना. Tired but enthusiastic. We came to the end of the trek. It was now time for our journey back. But not before we had decided to immerse our legs in the cool waters of the lake. Now लेक के पानी में पांव डुबो करके थोड़ी देर के लिए मज़ा लेना चाहते थे. So immerse our legs in the cool water of the lake. Immerse मतलब डुबाना. It was so beautiful to see swarms of small little fish in the waters under our feet. So you see, they can sit here, they can dip their legs here, and they can enjoy the sight of the little fish coming towards them. The sight of a family of tiger, which we spotted just before the end of our journey, left us amazed. Amazed means surprised. They were surprised to see a family of tiger. Okay? The father, the mother, and the two baby tigers all together. It appeared as if they had just come out to meet all of us who had come looking for them all the way from Delhi. So you can see the father, the mother and the two baby tigers. राइटर को ऐसा लगा जैसे टाइगर्स खुद निकल करके उनसे मिलने आए हैं. With this beautiful sight, my boat journey of Kanha National Park came to an end. It was and it will remain an unforgettable experience of my life. That is how the story ends. Thank you. Now, the comprehension questions are given here on the next pages. So, you have to do all these things in your book only, because space is given to write. You can see there are collective nouns also, group of sheep, group of wolves. There are some questions to be answered briefly. There are some word meanings. तो ये सारी चीज़ें आपको करना है. Thank you and have a nice day.